Hello everyone, we are flying from Hong Kong to LAX on a United flight on the Polaris business class. United flies 2 flights per day from Hong Kong to LAX, and this is the evening flight, leaving at around 6:50 p.m. and arrives around 5 p.m. in the afternoon to LAX. After the pandemics, United didn't resume a lot of flights from mainland China to the United States, so Hong Kong is a pretty good choice to fly from China to the United States. This flight is via a Boeing 787-9 airplane, so let's check it out. You will get to see the complete experience of flying in a Polaris business class on a long-haul flight with United. So let's get on board. My seat is at 3A. It's at the front section of the business class, with a window seat facing to the left. Alright, here it is my seat. We can see the in-flight kits are already laid out on my seat. Let's unwrap it one by one. First, here is a tiny pillow. It's super soft. The nice thing is that it has a cooling pad on one of its sides. When sleeping on it, it does cool down the temperature of the head really nicely, and this is one of the favorite features that I like on this pillow. We have the pajamas. In the Polaris business class, they will hand you out the pajamas if you request it. Comes in different sizes to pick the one that suits your size accordingly. It's super soft, so when you go to sleep, you can change into these comfortable pajamas and feel much more relaxed. This is a blanket from the Saks Fifth Avenue. As it says, it's made completely from recycled bottle, an environmentally friendly design. That's pretty nice, isn't it? The pattern comes from an Hawaiian artist. There's definitely some tropical vibe here. Then we have this amenity kit. This time it's coming from Therabody. So let's check it out. The bag comes with a belt that you can adjust the length for it. It's definitely very convenient for traveling with. So inside it we have a pair of socks. An eye mask. It's super soft and blocks out the light completely. Next we have a tiny pen. Apparently it's also made of recycled paper, some soft tissues, and a pair of earplugs. Some Therabody wellness kits. And finally a dental kit. That's pretty much all you need for your in-flight maintenance, so that you don't need to bring too much on board. Next, let's unpack this big package. We have another set of comforter and a blanket, and also a much bigger, softer pillow. I bet that's enough to make most everybody comfortable on flight. I ordered some sparkling water before the flight. You can definitely order wine. This is the in-flight menu. All the food is included in the business class for sure. On this side is the wines list, and on the other side we have the main dinner, the mid-flight snack, and also before arrival there will be another meal. For the dinner, you pick the main dish and the dessert. Other stuff is pretty much standard. So before the flight, let's check out the toilet. It's a very spacious one. This is a table for changing babies' diapers. Here we also have some bar cleaner in case you got some stains on your clothing. This one is a refresher. You can spray some mist on your face for moisturizing, and this is a hand cream. Here is the foam hand washer. Back in our seat, it's time to watch the safety video before the flight.
Make sure you've switched all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode. Taxi, takeoff, and landing. Large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you it is necessary to turn off and stow your device.
We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. Stow your tray table, food, beverages, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please place your personal items under the seat in front of you. At United, we're connecting people, uniting the world, and doing it safely. From all of us, thank you and enjoy your flight.
If you're seated in an exit row, we encourage you to open the window shade for taxi and takeoff. Please buckle your seatbelt over your blanket.
Now we are ready for the taxi and takeoff. During the takeoff, we get to see the complete Terminal 1 of Hong Kong International Airport right outside the window. Flight path is going through downtown Hong Kong, and on this side we can also see downtown Kowloon area. Right here, we are flying through the old Kai-Tak airport. It used to be an airport that's most difficult for landing in the world. Now it has been converted into the Kai-Tak Sports Park. Total flight distance is more than 7,000 miles. As the plane has stabilized, it's time to get a dinner. For the dinner, we'll get a hot towel, some drinks, and also some nuts. So this is the dinner. Have some bread roll, some crab salad. The main dish I pick shrimp, and also some salad with carrots and kale. For the dessert, I pick a small cake. There are heavier choices such as sundae, and these are the mid-flight snacks. Plenty of fruit, snacks, cheese platters, and some cakes. Captain turns off the main lights during mid-flight, and there are such nice little lamps that you can turn on. It's about bedtime. We have a pretty quiet cabin today. Pretty much everybody has turned quiet after dinner. The mood lighting does make one feel like it's the sunset. Polaris business class cabin has a 1-to-1 seating configuration. Very spacious and not crowded at all. Sitting in my seat, this is how it feels. During the mid-flight, the control for the window is completely shut off, so no strong sunlight will come into the flight during mid-flight. And this is what you will see if you are lying down on the seat. It's a complete lie-flat seat. Polaris cabin separates out the seatings very well, so you don't get disturbed by the outside. It's a cozy seat to sleep in. So, have a good night. We have flown across the Pacific and nearing LAX. It's time for some tea and also the breakfast.
Would you like something to drink, or would you like a refill?
Yeah, refill please. Thank you. This is my breakfast. Some fruit salad. Pancakes and also a croissant. Delicious, isn't it? We are entering the LA area. We are flying right over downtown LA. So it's a very comfortable flight. You get a lot of pretty good food, and the amenity kits make sure that you have a good sleep over the night. Definitely a very good product from United. Let me know what you think. Thanks.